Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, Houston Window Experts. I was just checking out a picture of Jeff Ludy on the side of this service van. Yes, YouTube's most trusted window and door expert. I'm so glad you're watching. Hey, if you're in the window business or construction business, I wanted to show you something really cool. Check this out over here. This is a company that we subscribe to their service. They come out here, it's called Smash My Trash. They started to grow this area, but now I think they're all over the country. And instead of us spending like $575 for a dumpster that they haul off once a week, we've got a couple of these, by the way. They actually have a service now. This is a third party, not the dumpster company. The dumpster company does not like these guys. But this is a third party, and they come out with this giant roller, and it's supposed to weigh like 4,000 pounds. They'll come by here once or twice a week, depending on the demand we have, and they'll take this unit and they will crush our trash and smash it down so we can get almost 3 times, usually about 3 times as many loads. Oh wow, here it comes. Check it out. I don't want to stand too close and get hurt, but because there's glass in here, but whoa, look at that thing. We can get about 3 times as many loads of trash out of one dumpster than without this service. This thing is so much fun to watch. It's just crushing it, crushing it. Yeah, do it, man, do it. Bang it up. SmashMyTrash.com, SmashMyTrash.com. Anyway, this really has nothing to do with windows, but man, if you're paying for a dumpster, you might want to consider the Smash My Trash guys or someone comparable in your area. I wish I'd known about this. I would have got into this 10 years ago. Seems like a really good service, especially with the price of dumpsters and all the construction going on. Okay, well, enough from me today. Don't forget to check out all my videos on windows and doors. If you have a question for me, anything I can do to help, say so in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.